Good morning, neighbors. It is I, Jerry Ellen. Welcome back to Cooking with Neighbors. Today we're going to be baking a delicious brownie, Nutella brownies. Okay, neighbors, let's make this yummy brownies. Lined a 9x9. You could use 8x8, 9x9. Doesn't matter. Baking dish, because I am going to put and spread. I don't know what, I should have got a spatula. I'm gonna get a spatula. It doesn't have to be the whole size, because this is going to go in the brownie. I'll show you how to do that. Show you it. Don't have to be pretty, it just has to spread. Spread her on there. Now I am going to put this in the freezer till it gets good and hard. Get her done. Okay. What I have here is 200 grams of butter that I started to melt in my microwave. Now, so that's 200 grams, so like a cup. And I have 200 grams of chocolate chips. And I am going to put this back in the microwave. And I'm going to let it probably about 30 seconds or less. Take it out, give it a stir, and let that melt together. I don't want to scorch my chocolate. So I think there's enough warmth in my butter to melt it. I'm going to set that aside because you don't want this hot, because there is eggs that will be added to this and you don't want the eggs to get scrambled up on you. I am going to add, this is brown sugar. I'm going to add 150 grams, and I'll do the conversions in the description box below. So the description box is, okay, you scroll down below the video and you see like a show more button, just click it and you'll find the amounts in there. And this is 30 grams of cocoa powder. I'm gonna whisk those together. And this is 90 grams of all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to crack 3 eggs.
My hands clean. 2, 3, and a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to put a pinch of salt in here. I forgot, like a teaspoon of salt.
Now I'm going to add my nice chocolate mixture here.
Use a spatula.
Now I'm going to add my eggs. Here is our Nutella that we put in the freezer. Okay, see that? I'm gonna leave my parchment paper there. I don't want my hands to melt this. I'm gonna put it somewhere clean. And I'm gonna pour half of this, or a little more than half of this, or try to do half into there, because you want it to have a nice bed to sit on. There we are. There she be, boy. There she be. Getting her in the oven. And I'll come back and let you know the time on that and show you it. I'll cut a piece for you. Neighbors, they were in the oven for about 25 minutes, maybe 30. You just want to cook them until it's kind of like spongy, right? I say do the toothpick test, except for you're going to get Nutella on your toothpick. They're still quite warm. Chewy, gooey deliciousness. Look at that. Let's have a bite. It's still kind of hot. Want to bite, guys? Here you go. I didn't bite that part. You have bite that part. This is definitely crowd pleaser. Anyway, guys, peace, love, God bless. Keep a good heart. See you in the next video. Take care.